Hi, it's me again with Corel Dog Tips and Tricks. Somebody sent me this text, which I actually have, and I love it. They sent me the shield and they sent me this picture. Their main concern or the main help they want is that this Angus beef isn't in an envelope form that you would think it would be in because of the shape of this part. So we're going to I did not practice this, but I'm going to just kind of mimic this thing. I'm going to take this, you know what, I'm going to make it a little bit bigger. Kind of get it about the size of the item. I'm going to go to effects and contour to the inside one time, like 0.1, to get that other line. That's a little bit much. Let's go 0.07. And now that's that second line that we could fill in with a color. But then you need to go and break the contour apart. And then really we want a contour of this. Now this picture is skewed. So it's going to be hard to kind of, there we go. That's a little bit better. And they can readjust the shape, size, and everything to their need. But if you notice also this shape has been contoured off the original shape. So what we want to do is take the Smart Fill tool and fill that in. Okay, I got a leak, so I don't have one of those lines doesn't go all the way. It looks like it does. Let's just take it out past there. Then it shouldn't leak. It shouldn't have leaked before. And like I said, I didn't practice this, so I'm going off the scuff of my pants. I'm going to change if that made any sense. I don't even know how big this thing is. Wow, little bitty. Let's make it 3 inches. And I'm going to take this and I'm going to left click, right click, and then I'm going to do that same contour. Now I don't have to break it apart because it's off the page. I'm just going to fill it in and then I can left click, right click. So their main question was, and this is where we're going to put the wordage and how they got this word enveloped in here and not this shape. Well, I'm not 100% sure, but I'm going to say they just drew and it's not even a perfect line. And I can't say that because the fact that it's kind of skewed off. So I'm going to go just across here and then I'm going to just make a shape, holding down the control button and get a little bit better shape. Now I actually want it, and I'm a little bit off, but big deal. I guess that'll be the part that'll be off. But I need to smart fill it to get me that shape, and then I'm going to left click, right click, and hope this works. I'm going to take this Angus, and you know what? I should have gone maybe at an angle or straight up and down. Let's try this. And for the one I'm doing it for, you would want these lines perpendicular and perfect. And see, that's going to give us a better envelope form. Let me move this out of the way for a second. I'm going to left click, right, left. You know what? I think I nudged it. No, I didn't. Whenever you see anything nudged, make sure you go back. Now we're just going to try this. We're going to go to effects in envelope, put inside container, and there we go. Now what I'm going to do is I need to put it in this shape. So I'm going to hold down the shift key and hit EZ because then I can nudge it right back to where it needs to be. See that we got the little box. So that is the Angus beef, not in an envelope shape that you would think it would be. And the same thing on the beef itself. This is almost the envelope. So what we're going to do, we're going to have to make a shape and then contour it. So we're going to take let's just take a 2-point line. And you know what? I'm going to go across the whole page right now. And then I'm going to take my 3-point curve line and I'm going to go all the way to the edge because we're going to contour. And see this, you know what? I see this is kind of in there. So I'm going to go from there to there. And that'll give us a little different perspective. I'm going to take the Smart Fill tool and fill that in. And once again, I probably should have moved the lines over, made it a little thicker. Whoop. I didn't mean to close that. We're going to contour the same thing. Take our beef. And you know what? We don't have to break the contour apart. Just fill that in. And left click, right click. Take your beef. Apply. No, I didn't. Oh, I'm on the contour. I deleted. I'm the world's worst about shutting down dockers before I'm through with them. Now, see, that's a little bit off, but I should have made my line a little bit more like we did on the other one. So I'm just going to take a 2-point line. And for the one I'm doing it for, measure, but just every time you do that, use the Smart Fill tool to fill that in. Left click, right click. Take your beef from envelope form. Shift select that and go EC. When you do that, it's putting it right back where it needs to be. Take these lines away. Well, you know what? That's a good point. I wonder if that's the envelope form. So I'm going to take this one, and I do have to break it apart. A lot of times you have to select the whole thing again. Go up to object, break contour apart. Because we need that part to fill in with color. And she didn't need help, or I hope maybe she needs help, but with this, but she didn't ask for help with this. So we have a contour of that. And I'm thinking let's just take a 2-point, see there's a white space between there. You know what we could do for just a second? Take that one right there and contour it again. Here we go, I shut my contour down. Because then that way we can move that in just a second, but we could take the Smart Fill tool, and I'm just going to use blue and fill that in. Well, their letters are white. And so what I should have done is made them white to begin with. Well, you can't see white on a white screen. And then take the Smart Fill tool. Let's do that. You could nudge this beef out of the way and Smart Fill the whole thing and go up to object, order, back a page, and then take your beef. Well, now I'm going to take the yellow, object, order, back a page. And there you have it. And then we could take away these lines and actually take away this other, well, I got to break this contour apart. Take away this other line. And let's just make these letters white. and move them out of the way. Smart fill that in blue. And then move our, the letters must be gray because they're showing up on the white screen. Object, order, front of page. Yeah, I must have. So that needs to be raised up a little bit. I'm on that line. But once again, she only needed help with that one thing. And I'm doing it again. That's too much. 0.05. Put that right in the middle. See, it actually needs to go down a little bit. But then when you put here I go, I can't stop. Let's put a border around that. Now see how the yellow box actually stopped it from getting in there? Because there was a line there. And then, well, it's all going to be white. So now we could, anybody could draw these lines in there. But anyway, that's how you could put an envelope where it doesn't look like the same form that it's in. And then the stars would be real easy. Anyway, I hope that helped them a little bit. And thank you for watching.